everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel.
Today I'm going to show you guys how to create a straight curly tip dreaded hairstyle. It can be done on shorter hair, so I'm just going to show you guys my technique and how I do it. So earlier today I went on ahead and washed and prepped my hair beforehand. It's all twisted, yeah, we're gonna get into it. So starting out, you want to evenly disperse your hair to where it's not too crowded in one bundle. So I went on ahead and split mine into two parts. And then for my first part, I'm gonna go ahead and split it into three parts. And then we're gonna go ahead and start this technique. I usually go like midway or like to my shoulders. So we're gonna start out by taking this first small bundle and we're gonna wrap it around. Take the bottom portion and wrap it around the knuckle part. Try to wrap it around as many times as you can. And just to show you guys again, we're gonna take the portion of hair and we're gonna loop the bottom portion and we're gonna bring it up like this. Uh-oh, I got so much uneven hair, and we're just gonna continuously loop the hair around like such. And we're just gonna keep looping and looping and looping until we can get a tight enough knot. So it's kind of like a bantu knot or bantu, whatever they call it, bantu knot. So now we're gonna go ahead and grab the last portion of the hair and complete this side. And there you have it. So there's some pieces that are still kind of poking out, but I'm not gonna worry about that. So here is this first half of my hair. I mean, it's cute. It's actually two hairstyles in one, okay? I am going to finish up the right side of my hair. Next, what I usually do is I'll take a scarf. We're gonna go ahead and wrap this crown. Okay, so now that this is complete, I got my knots in, I got my head wrapped. We're gonna call it a night. I'm gonna go to sleep, and we're gonna hope that these curls are super strong for tomorrow. Of course, this thing did not stay on my head the entire night, but as long as these knots are intact, I think that's good enough for me. Okay, so now that my hair is all dry, we're gonna go ahead and take these out. Uh-oh.
5 hours later.
Oh, you know what? Start from the bottom. That would make sense, Brandy.
2 days later.
And then, oh, see that bounce? That's it. That looks like. All right, you guys. So I really loved how my hair turned out. As you guys can see, you have like, you know, the straighter top half portion, and then going down below, I got some nice locked curls. And that is it. So thank you guys so much for watching my video. Support your girl by liking, subscribing, we got you.